I am going to be creating an ash blonde blend today, and these are the three colors that I'll be using: color 12, 60S, and a 613A. I know that it goes by different names depending on what region you're in, but just look at the colors and try and find the closest match. The number 12, when you're looking for it online, it sometimes can be called 6B. These two are pre-stretched and this is not. So I am going to cut this into a half and pull the ends and then blend all three together. So to pull the ends, I simply hold the hair right there firmly but not too tight, and then I begin to just pull at it. You don't have to do this perfectly, because as you blend the hair, the ends will feather more. So do not spend too much time on this part. You don't have to pull one hair at a time. Once I'm done, just gonna spray some water. But if you have oil sheen, go ahead and use that. That is okay. Alright, so it is now stretched. I have a certain vision for what I'm trying to achieve. This blend is for a specific client. It doesn't have to be exact, but I'm trying to get it to be as close as possible. I could have used a white blonde, which has less of the yellow tint, but that is harder to find, and I wanted to show you guys how to do it with 613 and just adding a bit of silver to it. So we'll start by blending one bundle of 613 and half a bundle of the 12. Let's start there, and if we need to add any more, we will, but for now we start with that ratio. I am going to add a bit more 12. In fact, I'm actually going to add the rest of the 12. I will now add half of the silver. I didn't think I needed to, but I'm going to have to add color 4. I'm going to split this into a half, just in case I don't like the result. But let's trust the process. This is color 4. I am just going to add a little bit of it. I am going to blend this as thoroughly as possible and add a bit more 4 if need be. Looking at it, it needs a little bit more 4. So a bit more. Yes.